Please subscribe to AutoVibe channel for classic car stories and detailed reviews as we explore the legendary Oldsmobile Model 30, a pioneering automobile that helped shape the early American automotive industry and set new standards for engineering, comfort, and reliability. Welcome to AutoVibe channel, where passion for historic machines meets modern storytelling, bringing you closer to the vehicles that built the roads we drive today. Introduced in the early 20th century, the Oldsmobile Model 30 was designed to deliver dependable performance, refined craftsmanship, and practical usability for everyday drivers and adventurous travelers alike. It featured a robust four-cylinder engine that produced smooth and consistent power, allowing the car to cruise comfortably on the rough and often unpaved roads of its era. The engine was paired with a simple but durable transmission system that emphasized ease of operation, making the Model 30 accessible to both experienced motorists and newcomers learning to drive. The chassis of the Model 30 was engineered for strength and stability, using high-quality steel components that improved structural integrity while reducing unwanted vibrations. Its suspension system relied on semi-elliptic leaf springs that absorbed road shocks effectively, providing a more comfortable ride compared to many competing vehicles of the time. Mechanical brakes offered reliable stopping power, and the steering system was carefully balanced to deliver predictable handling and precise control. Together, these elements created a driving experience that felt confident and reassuring, even at higher speeds for that period. Inside, the Oldsmobile Model 30 showcased thoughtful design and attention to passenger comfort. The spacious cabin provided ample legroom, supportive seating, and durable upholstery that could withstand long journeys. Instrumentation was straightforward and easy to read, allowing drivers to monitor speed, engine function, and essential operating conditions at a glance. High-quality materials and careful assembly reflected Oldsmobile's commitment to craftsmanship, resulting in a refined interior atmosphere that appealed to families, professionals, and touring enthusiasts. Externally, the Model 30 displayed classic early automotive styling, with elegant body lines, prominent fenders, and a distinctive radiator grille that conveyed both strength and sophistication. Multiple body styles were available, including touring and roadster configurations, giving buyers the flexibility to choose a model that best suited their lifestyle and needs. Practical features such as ample ground clearance, sturdy wheels, and reliable lighting systems enhanced usability and safety, making the car suitable for both urban environments and rural exploration. One of the most notable achievements of the Oldsmobile Model 30 was its emphasis on durability and long-term ownership value. The vehicle was built to endure challenging conditions, with components designed for easy maintenance and repair. This focus on serviceability helped establish Oldsmobile's reputation for dependability, contributing to strong customer loyalty and widespread adoption across the United States. Owners appreciated the balance of performance, comfort, and reliability, which made the Model 30 a trusted companion for daily commuting and extended road trips. Today, the Oldsmobile Model 30 remains a cherished symbol of early automotive innovation. Collectors and historians admire its engineering solutions, classic design, and historical significance. Preserved examples continue to appear at vintage car shows and museums, where they inspire new generations to appreciate the ingenuity and craftsmanship of early automobile pioneers. The Model 30 story reminds us how far automotive technology has progressed while honoring the foundations laid by visionary engineers and manufacturers. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to AutoVibe channel for more in-depth explorations of iconic vehicles and unforgettable automotive history. Stay connected for future episodes, behind-the-scenes updates, exclusive restorations, timeless motoring culture, community stories, and unforgettable journeys, so always remember to truly subscribe.